Cod Nabe, a taste of Japanese winter. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Hachiaki Takamiya, a 62-year-old biohacker based on Japanese natural health and the author of the Ikigai diet. So in the last video, I shared with you about nabe, which is one of the most common winter dishes in Japan. Nabe is wonderful because it provides warmth, both physically and psychologically. Because we usually have nabe with other people, so it has a kind of social communication aspect. It provides us ikigai because of it. And it is nutritionally very rich because it's a soup. It's a hot pot, basically. Therefore, all the nutrients stays in the soup if you drink the soup as well. So from today, I'll be sharing with you some recipes. The first one is cod nabe, because cod nabe is the most common nabe dish. There are many nabe dishes. I told you before, like we have a kimchi nabe, chicken nabe, ishikari nabe, which uses salmon and so on. But cod nabe is the most common nabe. So if you say nabe, most people think of cod nabe. And that is a good news for you because cod is widely available in the West. I know in Britain, for example, you use cod for fish and chips, right? So this is wonderful so that it's easy to access the ingredient. And for the vegetables too, you can find your local vegetable. You can use vegetables that are available in your region. All right, so I'll share with you how to make cod nabe today. Please watch the video until the end. Now, those of you who just discovered this video today, this is the Ikigai Diet channel, which is a health and longevity channel. We usually cover things like diet, exercise, mindset, and sometimes we cover Japanese blue zones because there are several blue zones in Japan other than Okinawa, and we cover from traditional Japanese health method to modern Japanese health trend such as chokatsu. So basically, this is the channel about how to increase health span for people over 50 or 60. So if you're interested, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. All right, how to make cod nabe. First of all, things you need. So you need some vegetables and cod fish and tofu. For example, you need Chinese cabbage and negi. If you don't have negi, you can use leeks as well. And you can actually use all kind of vegetable, any vegetable you like. And then you can have carrots, and broccoli, and also garlic and ginger. I always like to put garlic and ginger because, as I told you in the last video, they have a tremendous health benefit. And you can put some tofu. If you have momen tofu, it is better to use momen tofu. And some mushrooms. This is shiitake and enoki dake. Finally, you need cod fish. This time, I'll be using 2 cod fish and cutting into 3 pieces each, so 6 pieces altogether. Then you need some seasoning. So you need about 500 cc of water, and you put kombu inside. And you want to soak kombu for about 30 minutes before cooking it. Then you need soy sauce, mirin if you have, and sake if you have. If you don't have sake, you can use white wine too. Choose dry white wine, not a sweet one, but dry one. So by the way, this is also called nabe. Nabe actually means the actual thing. This is nabe, but the dish is also called nabe or nabe ryori. The exact way of saying it's nabe ryori, but we always call it nabe. And then first, so you want to pour water, and I just put the kombu as well, and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of mirin. One tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 tablespoon of sake. Then you turn the gas on, and with about medium heat you make the water come to boil. So you can put the lid on. I think the water came to a boil now. Okay, and then you can start putting some vegetables. So first you can put some Chinese cabbage and negi. Oh yeah, forgot, you won't put ginger and garlic too. Yeah, make sure to put the ginger and garlic in the soup. So you have the Chinese cabbage and negi here, and then carrots. And then you want to put broccoli, and mushrooms. Then tofu, and finally cod. And then you put the lid on, and with the low flame, you want to cook it for about 10 minutes. Okay, so it is about 10 minutes after. So here it is. Nabe is ready. I can turn the gas off. Yeah, looks good, isn't it? So this is Cod Nabe. Okay, now I can eat it. By the way, this is for about 2 people. Yeah, this nabe is a small size. If you are making nabe for more people, then you need to use a bigger nabe. This is a kind of small nabe. You need a bowl like this, and you put some ingredients in the bowl. Like that. Then I usually have a bowl of rice, in my case a bowl of koso genmai, fermented brown rice. You just eat it with rice like that. Very good. This is cod. So basically, adjust your ingredient according to how many people there are and so on. You can add more vegetables, or you can add different kind of fish or other seafood like as shrimp and oysters and stuff like that too. And then for the seasonings too, add some dashi if you have. That's also okay too. All right, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Hachiaki Takamiya, the author of the Ikigai Diet. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Have you ever had Cod Nabe before? Thank you. Well, I will see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!